Hi.
Carlos buys a new car.
Carlos buys a new car.
It's a very expensive car.
It's a very expensive car.
It's a huge, blue and fast car.
It's a huge, blue and fast car.
Who buys a new car?
Carlos buys a new car.
Is the car expensive?
Yes, it's very expensive.
How big is the car?
It's huge.
While driving down the street, Carlos sees a girl on a bicycle.
While driving down the street, Carlos sees a girl on a bicycle.
What does he see while driving down the street?
He sees a girl on a bicycle.
Who sees a girl on a bicycle when he's driving down the street?
Carlos sees a girl on a bicycle.
Why is Carlos driving?
Carlos is driving down the street.
She has long blonde hair and is beautiful.
She has long blonde hair and is beautiful.
What does she look like?
She has long blonde hair and is beautiful.
Does she have short blonde hair?
No, she has long blonde hair.
Does she look beautiful?
Yes, she looks beautiful.
He yells to her, "What's up?"
He yells to her, "What's up?"
What does he yell?
He yells, "What's up?"
Who yells, "What's up?"
Carlos yells, "What's up?"
Does Carlos yell to a boy?
No, he yells to a girl.
She ignores him.
She ignores him.
Does the girl ignore him?
Yes, she ignores him.
Who ignores Carlos?
The girl ignores Carlos.
Does she look at Carlos?
No, she ignores him.
He yells, "How's it going?"
He yells, "How's it going?"
What does he yell?
He yells, "How's it going?"
Does he yell, "Hello"?
No, he yells, "How's it going?"
Does he yell, "How's it going" to the girl?
Yes, he yells, "How's it going?" to the girl.
She keeps going and ignores him.
She keeps going and ignores him.
Does the girl stop?
No, she keeps going.
Who keeps going?
The girl keeps going.
Does the girl keep going?
Yes, the girl keeps going.
He yells, "Hey, why don't you talk to me?
He yells, "Hey, why won't you talk to me?
I want to go to dinner with you.
I want to go to dinner with you.
I'll take you go to an expensive restaurant."
I'll take you to go to an expensive restaurant.
Does Carlos want to go to hotel with her?
No, he wants to go to dinner with her.
What does he want?
He wants to go to dinner with her.
Where will Carlos take her to?
He will take her to an expensive restaurant.
The girl turns,
The girl turns,
gets off the bike,
gets off the bike,
and looks at him.
and looks at him.
What does he do?
The girl turns, gets off the bike, and looks at him.
Does the girl get off the car?
No, she gets off the bike.
Does the girl ignore him?
No, she looks at him.
She says,
She says,
"I don't want to go to dinner,
I don't want to go to dinner.
but if you give me your car,
But if you meet me in your car,
I will give you a surprise."
I will give you a surprise.
Does she want to go to dinner?
No, she doesn't want to go to dinner.
What does she want?
She wants his car.
Who wants Carlos' car?
The girl wants Carlos' car.
Thanks for watching.